There is exciting new information about the upcoming NCAA college football game by EA Sports. Despite some doubts, the game is unquestionably set to release summer of 2024, with the EA CEO confirm despite the pending lawsuit filed by a licensing company to interrupt its planned 2024 release of EA Sports College Football, stating, "We're incredibly excited to bring back an authentic college football experience for fans and athletes that have shown such passion for the franchise, and we're looking forward to delivering it in summer 2024," an EA spokesperson told On3's Pete Nakos. They're now in the final stages of bringing everything together, and there are a substantial number of leaked details about the game. EA Sports has also announced that they are working with one-team partners to manage the process for college football athletes to sign up and opt in to be included in its upcoming EA Sports College football game, the EA Sports spokesperson said. "There has been speculation around our plans, but it is just that, speculation. To be clear, we have not yet made any offers to any college athletes for this game," stating, the EA Sports spokesperson, "Credit Matt Brown from Extra Points, the primary source of these leaks. He's been able to access extensive information through open records requests from various schools. These details, from game modes and uniforms to specific fight songs and crowd chants, all meant to enhance the game's authenticity. The depth of information requested and received is a clear indication that EA is taking this game seriously. EA Sports has had the luxury of time to build this game from the ground up. This means they can meticulously refine every detail, similar to the beloved NCAA games of the past. Schools have been asked to provide a wealth of information, including thousands of photos of stadiums, dorm rooms, and more. The goal is to make the game as true to real-life college football as possible. For instance, Colorado submitted various helmet designs to EA Sports, along with drone footage and extensive stadium photos. This commitment to detail has generated excitement among fans, as it suggests EA is dedicated to creating a game that will make a strong first impression after a 10-year hiatus. Furthermore, schools are submitting a vast array of assets. Bowling Green sent uniform combinations, while others are offering mascot images. Each school contributes unique details that EA aims to incorporate into the game. Some schools are exceptionally thorough, even providing specific audio files of their band playing songs and the crowd chanting. The aim is to recreate the in-game experience as accurately as possible. While EA won't be able to license every song from every school, they are likely to secure rights for well-known tracks like Enter Sandman for Virginia Tech and Jump Around for Wisconsin. This level of detail is evidence that this game is far from being a Madden rehash. It's evident that EA is going to great lengths to create a unique and immersive college football gaming experience. With years dedicated to its development, there's no rush to release the game. It's clear that EA understands the passion the NCAA football gaming community represents, and they're eager to satisfy those fans with a game that exceeds expectations. This level of commitment is what college football enthusiasts have been waiting for, with many gaming users happy. Other users have their concerns about the college football game, with one user stating, "Arobhola4357. The graphics are never an issue. I don't care about anything except Dynasty mode and gameplay, and I am very concerned it will be a reskinned Madden," with another stating Apateshari9816. "Sadly, until it comes out, I have no faith in EA anymore. I want to believe this game will be as good as 2014, but my gut says that it is built off the Madden engine with a long-shot cutscenes added in. I hope I am wrong, but EA hasn't earned any trust on anything until they deliver on something substantial, and it's not filled with Ultimate Team crap." And another user stating, Brandon Porter 280. "Would be nice if they added the SWAC and MEAC, so people let me know what you think and how you feel about. Finally, NCAA football coming back out for you gaming system, and if you have any concerns about the game and how it's going to be different like the others in the past, comment, like, and subscribe. Again, thank you for your support. Pray for your loved ones and yourself. Peace."